All right, guys. Today we worked on outside turn.
Mm-hmm.
What else did we work on, Jessa?
Open break. It's a backwards open break, though. It's like you were
Open break, going forward.
Yeah.
Into a hand toss.
Mm-hmm.
Into a left turn.
Mm-hmm.
And then finally we did outside turn.
Again.
So it was 2 outside turns, 1 open break, 1 hand toss, and 1 left turn. So if you put it this way, outside turn, open break, hand toss, left turn, outside turn. 5 things we did today. Yes? Okay. First, basic. 1, 2, 3, 5. Preparation, 7 on the 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. No 7. Bring the elbow down and bring the hand down. Close to the follows inside of the elbow, not here. Do you like that, Jessa?
No.
Nope. Then I release, catch on 1. Don't just release, catch and step. You don't have time for that. It's 1 move. 7, 1, 2, 3. On my way back to her, do the hand toss. 1, 2, 3. Then I bring the follow forward, 5. Not that I bring her forward, but she knows that she has to keep going. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, and 3. We do a crossbody lead, following my follow, grabbing the right shoulder into outside turn. Do it from this side, hand toss. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Grab the shoulder. 2, 3. The whole thing moves. Whole body rotation. As I'm doing the turn, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. Yes, Yasa?
See.
So if we put it together, no stopping. Both sides. Basic. 5, 6, here we go. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. And go close to your follow. No distance. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1 and 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Give it up for Jessa.